If your company is already in Handshake, after verifying your email, the next page will display a list of company profiles associated with your email domain. If there is more than one, review the details for each profile. Click the blue Request button to select the appropriate company profile. If your company auto-approves new user accounts with their company email domain, you'll be redirected to a homepage in Handshake and prompted to set up your applicant status messaging preferences. If your company doesn't automatically approve new user accounts with their company email domain, the request will be sent to the owner of the company profile for review and approval. If the owner of the profile does not approve your request in a timely manner, please contact Career Services for more support. Then click Connect to Schools.